And like all good things, we have now come to a close with a call to action. What would you do next to help solar PV research move forward? So help me welcome Dr. Czar Jakiri S. Sarmiento, Director of the UP Training Center for Applied Geodesy and Photogrammetry, UP TCAGP, to give us the closing remarks.
Hello, thank you again for inviting me to formally close this event. There's something that's happening this week, this whole month actually, in Manila and in Bulacan. This is the FIBA World Cup competition. If you've been a follower of basketball, this is like the biggest basketball competition worldwide. And Filipinos and basketball are a potent mix. Um, Filipinos most of the time treat basketball like a religion. And Filipinos can be quite passionate about a lot of things. They're passionate about basketball. They're passionate about the research that we've shared through this colloquium. And given a choice between a basketball game and this colloquium, I salute everyone who chose to attend this colloquium. It shows the commitment and the dedication that you have in your respective researches, not only for the local participants, but also for our international guests. We look forward to having you around so we can meet you face to face. And we're looking forward to the opportunities that this whole engagement will produce in the future. So thank you again for all the participants, the experts, the policymakers, the enthusiasts who are here, who attended this event. Thank you for contributing your knowledge, your expertise, your ideas for this gathering. Your dedication to unraveling a whole lot of geospatial solutions for renewable energy has been really, really inspiring. This colloquium has also been a celebration of interdisciplinary collaboration. Not everyone in this room are engineers. We have geographers, we have environmentalists. Hopefully there are policymakers around. We've seen the holistic nature of renewable energy transition, and this is something that we hope to push forward as an agenda for our children and our grandchildren. Again, thank you to the participants. Thank you to the organizing committee. I'm sure you've spent lots of sleepless nights for this event. Now you've seen it materialize, and you've seen the effects and the opportunities that are open because of this colloquium. And I hope you're going to get a good sleep tonight after this event. So in closing, again, we encourage everyone, to continue carrying the spirit of this colloquium as we work forward to the future of not just a more sustainable, renewable energy landscape, but also a more efficient, a more advanced, and hopefully a more localized way of uh, you know expanding our power generation horizons. So again, maraming salamat po, and safe travels to all of you who's going to travel ahead. May our future researches be uh, as engaging as the current one today. So thank you and good day.
All right. Thank you very much, Sir Jack, for your very inspiring closing remarks and your continued support to the project.